everyone, welcome back to the HTVRONT A100 Auto Multi-Heat Press tutorial series. In the last video, we covered how to use the 12 by 10 inch heat plate. In this video, we will show you how to switch, install, and use the large head heat plate. Inside the box, you will find HTVRONT A100 Auto Multi-Heat Press, 12 by 10 inch heat plate, 20-ounce tumbler heat plate, large head heat plate, large head heat plate base with head stretcher, 12 by 10 inch heat press mat, quick start guide, heat-resistant gloves. You will also need to prepare the following materials: heat-resistant tape, your design, and a PTFE sheet, scissors, a hat, Part 1 installation, and melt switching. Before we start, put on your heat-resistant gloves and keep the machine plugged in. Ensure the heat plate connector is disconnected. Now, let's switch out the heat plate. Pull out ironing board, unhook the 4 stripes on both sides of the mat, and remove the heat press mat. Hold the 12 by 10 inch heat plate handles. Press the release button with your thumbs and remove the plate. Place it on the mat you just removed. Press and hold the mode button to enter the mode selection. Press the mode button to cycle through the modes: t-shirt mode, tumbler mode, hat mode, and customer mode. Since we are using the hat heat plate, select hat mode. Once selected, press the start button to confirm. The machine will then adjust its height automatically and enter standby mode. Next, install the large head heat plate base. Align the down right corner of the head heat plate base with the marks on the board, and rotate it counterclockwise until it locks in place. The base is correctly locked when its edge aligns with the horizontal line on the board. The screw beside the large head heat plate base is a spare part. If the base wobbles slightly after rotation, use it to improve stability. Otherwise, it's not required. Now install the large head heat plate. Hold the head heat plate firmly with both hands and align the mounting block with the main unit slot. Then lift upward until the heat plate is securely locked in place. Finally, reconnect the heat plate connector. Align it with the arrow as shown and insert it firmly until fully secured. Part 2. Settings and Preheating. Now press the power button and set your temperature, time, and pressure based on the quick reference chart. The start button will turn red, which means it's heating up. Quick safety reminder: while the machine is heating, wear heat-resistant gloves and avoid touching the heat plate or surface with bare hands while it heats. Prepare your materials. Place the hat onto the base. Press down the head stretcher to secure the hat on the base. Then attach your design with heat-resistant tape and cover it with a PTFE sheet. Part 3. Automatic heat pressing. When you hear a beep and the scale button turns green, it's ready. Push the ironing board back in until you hear a beep, then press start. The machine will lower automatically and begin pressing. When the countdown finishes, the machine lifts up with a beep. Just pull out the ironing board and remove your hat. And that's a full workflow for using that large head heat plate. Once you get used to it, it's really easy. See you in the next video.